Hey guys, I'm Jeff from Benteh Academy. Welcome to another monthly cultural STEM kit. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing a Kotzebue style ice fishing jig. And it comes with 4 different pieces of laser cut 8-inch plywood birch. And what also comes with the kit, we've got a couple of different options for bobbers here. Or otherwise just fish indicators. These guys sit on the top of the water and they kind of jiggle like a bobber does when you got that. We'll also be sending out some trout magnets right there. So to begin, what we're going to start with is we're just start by gluing these 4 pieces together to make them a little stronger than just these flimsy little guys right here. For the purposes of this video, we're using tacky glue because that's what we have on hand. That's not what we're going to be sending in our kits. So if you see something that looks different than what we have here, don't worry, that's okay. So we'll start by doing this. We're just gonna get a nice solid amount of glue here because we do not want our fishing rod falling apart. That's not good. You don't want that. Nobody wants that. So get them on one side, stick them on the other. However you want to do this. It's pretty cut and dry, so have at it. So once you get your 4 pieces glued together here, there might be a little bit of excess. No big deal. Just take a paper towel or what have you and just wipe it off. And you're going to want to allow this to cure. Allow it to, take a big heavy book or something like a phone book. If we even have phone books anymore, set it on there, let it cure overnight, and it'll be good to go. For the sake of expediency, we are not going to do that today. What we're going to do is we're just going to pick right up from right there. So everything's glued together. You're just going to start with the handle end here. This is where your beginning loop is going to start. So all I'm going to do is literally just tie a knot onto this one end. We're sending each kit out with roughly 40 feet of this, I think it's 30 pound braid line. So if you're gonna use this rod, just don't go fishing somewhere over 40 feet. And then it just goes around like this. Once you get a little bit in, actually, let's actually just clean this up real quick because we have these. So just make a bite, like when you take like 2 ends of a string like this and you make them like that, that little loop you got right there, it's called a bite. So just make a bite and put it through the leaf hole and then bring your bite back over the leaf, pull it through, it stays right there. And so then just continue wrapping this bad boy up. And where you set your leaf or fish or whatever you put right there, that's completely going to depend on how deep of water you're fishing in. I was just picking a random spot on the string. Wherever you need it, you put it there for yourself. And we'll just keep wrapping this up. And try not to let the end of the string come out my